Guten Morgen. Hello, hello. Hold on a minute. Hallo, Klasse 9. Wie geht's euch? Gut, hoffe ich. Just going through some of the work that you need to do today. Well done. Some of you have been working really well. Some of you not. You need to organize yourselves a lot better. If we look at what I've put here today, I'll just increase the screen if I can. Okay. Okay, basically you need to look on Google Classroom, okay, and you have today's work, all right, which is, for some of you, you need to complete work from yesterday, okay. So you need to do the Education Perfect tasks if you haven't finished them or you haven't started them. Go through the Quizlet flashcards. You need to go through them first, then go through the Learn. Only one person has done this. Then play the match a few times. The reason for you to play it a few times is that you're going through the vocabulary. Now, when you go on to the Kahoot challenges, you need to put your correct names, otherwise I can't monitor your progress. Okay, and some of those so-called funny names were not funny at all. Once you've gone through all the work from yesterday, you can go on to the work that I've set below. Now, some of you have not joined the Quizlet page, so you need to click on that and join it there, okay? Now, what you do for today's work is click on that, okay, and basically open it with Google Docs. Excuse me. Okay, so what you've got here is graded tasks, okay, and the first one is match the English with the German phrases by copying and pasting them to the table below. So probably the easiest way to do it, if I were you, is copy all of the German phrases, like so. Control C, stick them in the Deutsch column, Control V, and then match the English next to them. Okay, so when you've done that, you need to fill in the gaps. Okay, so you've got, hello, mine something is Andreas, and ich bin 12 Jahre alt. Okay, and the words that you need are in the box below, and they've just extended down there, okay? So just read through those. You can get rid of the lines, maybe highlight the words that you're putting in, okay? So if we're going to say, hello, mine Fußball ist Andreas, and then you can highlight the word, okay? Just in case you're wondering, the word is not Fußball, okay? And then you go down to exercise C. If you can translate the following into German, all right? But you're using exactly the same pattern as above, okay? It says, do you know the word for also? It's auch, okay? I also watch television, okay? Not I watch television also in German. When you've done that, see if you can write a description about yourself using the same model, okay? Obviously, to be able to do that, you need to have gone through all of the Education Perfect tasks and the Quizlet and the quizzes and the Kahoot, okay? All right, any problems, just let me know. And I'll get back to you. Cheers.